Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about electric field lines. Before that, those who are watching my videos first time, do subscribe and like the videos and do share the videos with your friends. In previous class, we discussed about properties of electric charges, and in today's class I am going to discuss about electric field lines. Okay. Here, electric field line is a path in an electric field. It is a path. It may be straight or curved, such that tangent to it at any point gives the direction of an electric field. Means electric field line, it is a line-like structure from a single charge or a region, and this is a single positive charge. Okay, single positive charge means this is the charge around the charge in all possible direction. The electric field lines are get formed, and here one thing we have to observe that the field line direction. Okay, in a positive charge the direction is always outward. Okay, this is the outward direction, and the same structure is there for negative charge, but direction is inwards. This is a single point charge. Around this the number of field lines are there. Okay, here the direction is inward. For negative charge, always direction is inward. For positive charge, outward. Okay, like that we have the information, and we are doing the combination of charges. These are the individual point charges, positive as well as negative. In case if we place any two charges in together in a medium, there also we are observing the possible electric field lines. Okay, the based on the which charge we are bringing together or we placed, that makes an effect in the formation of electric field line. Here we are doing the combination, that is two positive charges. Okay, here plus q is there, another charge is plus q. Okay, both are plus q. Here we know that nature of charges, the same charges always repel each other. Here you are observing that the field lines are going to repel. Hmm? There is no attraction between the field lines. Okay, like that we are observing. Okay, in all possible direction. Okay, these are the lines and directions that we are observing here. For each and every line we should mention the arrow mark, means that gives the direction in both side. Okay, this is the electric field lines. These are tending to repel each other. They are trying to move away from the charges. Okay, like that we are observing combination of charges, two equal charges. Okay, this question may ask for 2 mark. Draw the electric field lines for two positive charges. You have to draw the lines and you have to mention the arrow mark compulsory. Okay. Next, this is a charges combination for equal and opposite charges. Here the word equal means the plus q charge also having same magnitude and minus q also having same magnitude. For example, plus q has 1 coulomb, the minus q charge also having 1 coulomb, but direction is opposite here. Magnitude remains same. Equal means magnitude remains same, and opposite charges potential means signs. Okay, here you are observing plus q charge is there, minus q charge. Okay, here for equal and opposite charges there is always attraction is there. That's why we are observing the here closed structure. Okay, okay, like that we are observing the possible closed structures, and we have to mention the arrows. Okay, arrow mark you should mention. And here also arrow mark. Okay, like that you have to draw the all lines possible. Okay, mention the arrow mark. Okay, here also, here for this positive charge outward direction is there, that we already mentioned here. For negative charge, here inward direction, here outward for positive and for negative inward. Okay, like that we have to mention the direction for all possible electric field lines. This is the combination of two charges, that two equal and opposite. This is also asked for 2 mark type question. Draw the electric field lines for two equal and opposite charges. Okay, like that you may get the question. And next part is properties. These electric field lines having certain properties, means having certain nature. How the electric charges having the properties, in the same way the field lines also having the certain properties. Based on those properties, the field lines are going to form. Okay, here properties of electric field lines. This question may ask for 3 mark type question. Mention the properties of electric field lines. You have to write the minimum 3 properties. Maximum you may write that according to your wish. Okay, must and should you have to write 3 properties. Okay, here first one is electric field lines start from positive charge and end with a negative charge. Always, if there is a combination of charges, the field lines start from positive charge and end with a negative charges. Okay, this is the first property of a electric field line. Next one is electric field lines are continuous curves without any break. These are the curve like structure as we observed in previous diagram. Continuous curves means there is no any break in between. Okay, up to the strength of electric field, how much the strength is there, the from to 2. Hmm, means that within that region there is a continuous curves without any break. Next one is two feed lines can never cross each other. You may observe the formation of feed lines. There are a number of lines are there, feed lines. Okay, all lines are located individually in its own path. Located individually in its own path means there is no overlap between one feed line to another feed line, that you have to observe in a diagram. Hmm. Always there is n number of feed lines are forming to a single charge or combination of charges. All are located, means all are having their own path. Okay, next one is electric field lines do not form any closed loop. Okay, they do not form any closed loops. Okay, next one is electric field lines always normal to the surface of the conductor. What is meant by surface of conductor? Here this is the surface of conductor. Okay, or may take like this. Okay, this is surface of conductor. Here you may draw number of lines. Okay, okay, here also you may draw number of lines. Okay. Here each line is having the tangential direction or normal direction. Normal means perpendicular formation to the surface of conductor. You may draw field line at any position on the surface of conductor, here, here, or anywhere. Okay, the each line which you have drawn to the surface of conductor, that angle is normal to the surface. Okay, they will form in a normal direction or tangential direction. These are the 5 main properties of a electric field lines. Okay, You have to write minimum any 3 out of 5. Okay, you will get easily 3 mark. Remaining concepts I will discuss in next video. Thank you.